Hello friends, good evening. How are you? I am fine. Friends, today's video is only eating's video. That start and friends and also people, please looking my video start to end. My dinner eating is ready. Boiled rice, mutton curry and chilled onion, chili and boiled water. Let's start. My eating styles: first take some rice, some boiled waters and some salt. Then mix and eating. Very nice. Wow. My eating complete, but my dish not blank because I am not complete the rice, onion and chili.